This is the new Redmi K40S. Hello guys, welcome back to Recipe channel, your connections to China. But first, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Well, in today's episode, we are going to do an unboxing and preview of the new Redmi K40S, so stay tuned. So here it is guys, the Redmi K40S box, which is quite similar to other Redmi phone boxes, which is all in white with golden and gray printing on the box. So that's the top, and this is the bottom and the side. So let's start peeling off the plastic cover and find out what's inside the box. So we've got the 67 watts fast charger, the USB Type-C cable line, which is 1 meter long, the user's guide, and ejector tool, plus of course the jelly case or transparent phone case. So guys, let's check out the unit itself. So this phone's color is like mint green and it feels so nice. Love the design. It's pretty much like, you know, the Redmi Note 11 or the K50 of the Redmi. So guys, this is the top side of the phone, which has the microphone and the speaker. On the right side of the phone, you can see the power button and the fingerprint scanner and the volume button rocker. Going down to the bottom of the phone, you'll see the speaker, the USB Type-C port, and the SIM card tray. So here's the full details of the phone. The phone's Antutu bench score is 722,000 plus, so gaming here on this phone is not a problem, especially the most common ones, thanks to its octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor. Playing less demanding games on this phone is not a big problem, so it doesn't really affect the cooling system of the phone. So it registers from 32 to 33 degrees Celsius, so it's pretty decent if you are going to use this phone for playing, you know, less demanding games. But on the other hand, if you are going to download some games which uses a lot of data and pretty much demanding, chances are you will experience some, you know, heating problem on the phone. So it's gonna be a problem. But you know, this phone is not really designed for gaming. So if you want to, you know, use a phone for gaming, probably the K50 is the best or better, you know, alternative from this phone. So guys, this phone is packed with lots of camera features. So we have this one, you can see the option photo, portrait, and more. So in more, you get a lot of more options, such as, you know, movie effects, This is the portrait mode, and you can see that the camera is pretty clear. This is the video mode and the pro mode. So this it's like a manual mode, so you can customize, you know, the camera. So you have this macro shot, the ultra wide shot, plus, you know, the normal wide camera. So here are some of the photo samples, guys. You could see that the night mode is not pretty nice. And here are the comparisons between the other phones. You could notice that the K40S is more of like a cooler tone. Now let's do a video test on this phone. So here, guys, you could see the difference when we zoom in and zoom out. And let's check out the 4K video. So this is a 4K video at night. So compared to the, you know, daytime. So if you were to ask me with regards to this phone, I think it's worth it, especially with its tag price. So if you are on a budget and looking for a mid-range phone, probably this is the phone that would match you. So with that said, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. 再见. Bye bye.